Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export your OneNote notebook into a file that can be backed up and opened offline. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep a secure copy of your notes or access them when you don't have an internet connection. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app. Once it launches, go ahead and load the notebook you want to export. Make sure it's fully loaded before moving forward, as this ensures all your content is ready to be backed up properly. Now that your notebook is open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all the menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This will expand the File menu, revealing several options related to managing your notebooks and files. From the File menu, you'll need to locate the Export option. Click on it to proceed. This is the key feature that allows you to save your OneNote content in various formats for backup or sharing purposes. Once you click Export, you'll be presented with two separate tabs that let you customize exactly what gets saved and how. The first tab is where you'll select which part of your OneNote file you want to export. You have three choices here. You can export individual pages, specific sections, or your entire notebook. Think about what you need backed up. If you just want to save a particular section, select that option. But if you're looking for a complete backup of everything, go ahead and choose the whole notebook option. Now move to the second tab. This is where things get important for creating a proper backup file with offline access. You'll see a list of different file formats to choose from. What you're looking for here is the option labeled 1PKG, which stands for OneNote Package File. Click on this format to select it. The OneNote package format works similarly to a zip file for your notes, bundling everything together in a single portable file. This is the ideal format to use because it maintains all your content, formatting, and attachments, while allowing you to open it offline whenever you need. Once you've selected the OneNote package format, go ahead and click Export. You'll be prompted to choose where you want to save this backup file on your computer. Pick a location that's easy to remember, like your Documents folder or an external drive if you want extra security. And that's it. You've successfully exported your OneNote notebook into a backup file that can be stored safely and opened offline whenever you need it. This gives you peace of mind knowing your notes are preserved and accessible no matter what happens. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.